one is we created what we called a white glove onboarding. Um, so that looks like uh, first we created admin roles because that was something we had to have being able to give employees different roles. Um, so that needed to be done. We had to do that. Um, see, that was one. Creating an admin for users. I mean, for our employees, and giving them basically roles what they can do. Customer support, their market, their billing, are their full administrator or custom, right? Um, that was one. We also did this was a download of reports. We thought this was very important to have downloads and reports as well. Um, Also a notification system of being able to send out messages to users. Um, not not the standard ones, the ones that go out automatically are fine. But like if we had like stuff that we wanted to tell them, if it was marketing stuff or if something was new coming out or we were excited about something, we wanted it to be able to go out to people. You know, push only. We can go out an email, you can go out in app only, or push out to in app and to the emails of the users. Um, and then the last thing that we did was our concierge. So a concierge specialist is basically someone that does the onboarding for you. So let's say like you're an older person and you don't know how to do your voice or whatever, you can send us your audio and then we can do it for you. So, we assign this to a specialist. It could be me, the master admin, or we assign it to one of our guys or whatever the case is. Um, and then what they do is they can able to contact the customer, add the client. It could be an existing client or a new client, pick their packages, uh, whatever the package is, and then they do the onboarding for them. They create the account and add it to the queue. Master admin does it, and then it'll get assigned particular to a particular client. So to myself, or it'll get passed on to one of the other specialists. Um, One second, where's this at? Also, there was another thing that we did is we thought that the analytics was very generic. So we wanted to add to that to the analytics. So what we did is we kind of did a full suite of analytics. So basically breaking down everything from devices to female, a little bit more countries. That was already there, that part, but age groups, primary languages, users' behavior, white glove service metrics, revenue was already there. You know that already. Usage status, that was already there. But I think understanding what devices and stuff like that is important. User metrics. Something. No miss devices. So, there's totally user position. Oh yeah, here it is. Homes, mobile web, browser, yeah, it's Android. Yeah. So all the tables and everything are there. Endpoints are there. Um, and then that was pretty much. Oh, and then we have in the one part where uh, the specialist portal. Um, let's see, where's that? So this is where one of our employees log in. They have a client in the queue where you saw me make it, and then they could actually, you know, go through the process. For example, they can start the session with that individual to upload their stuff, their files, to build, for it to build their clone. Uh, so they give us a document, text, document, photo, video, or voice clone. That just needs to say video, not video clone. Wait, no, choose a training. Yeah. So we can put in whatever those files are. Um, I think that's kind of backwards though, right there. I think that should be just clone. I guess it's right. Because you're doing voice, that's what you're uploading. Right, okay. Got it. We did add this button on the user portal just because we wanted it to, if they already have an account and maybe they didn't do something wrong or they didn't know how to do it, then they can, put it there. What else? See, landing page. There was some new stuff on the landing page, I believe. They talked about the we build the white glove. Obviously, it's in the wrong place, but okay. And we have a white glove button. It just, you can. I don't think that should be there. So I'm gonna make sure that's removed. That's it. Hello?
Yes, yes, I'm here.
Okay. That's it.
Okay,
I'm having
yes.
hmm? I'm having a problem too again with the GitHub for some reason. I don't know what's going on. It's not letting me do it again. So I don't know what I did wrong.
Which problem happened?
It won't like for example, try to push the new build and it keeps going here. Same thing like last time.
Maybe for from Figma we can only push for one repo at a time.
Um yeah, I think that is, but I have it disconnected from the other one. So I don't know what
Then you want to
should we
follow the same step. You want to delete that from here, danger zone, and then re-log in.
so delete here and install.
Yes, uninstall. Now hit back to Figma.
Okay.
Now let's try to connect it back.
Let me make sure that it's disconnected from the other one though. Make sure it's disconnected here. Mm, What was the place where we had to disconnect it? Was it just on?
Go to GitHub. Uh, yeah. Yes, it's disconnected.
Okay, it is. See, it's doing that again. It's not automatically doing it.
Let's try. Let's try what happened.
Okay. Should I log out the other one?
Hmm.
Maybe it's
Last time we did the same and it works, right?
right. So maybe I should log out of one.
Yes, do that.
Let's log out of this one. Okay. Back to this one. And do configure again.
Yes. What happened here? Uh, let's try to click on create repository. Let's see what is there.
And here.
Not no, from Figma.
So you want me to create repository?
Yes. Let's say it have that option to just push code on the existing repo.
So now it's saying being pushed to a new repository.
Uh, but we don't want to do that, right?
Right.
Why it
So
happen? Let's try to click here and say that push the code on repo. Let's see it will do it.
what create or push here?
I don't know too much about Figma because I don't use it.
Mhm. I don't know how we did it last time. Oh shit.
We just delete it from here and reconnect, and it
Yeah,
works.
that's what I thought we did. Let's see something. Let's see if it's disconnected from here. Would it be admin? I don't know. It'd be would it be in settings?
Yeah, we want to disconnect it again, right?
Right.
It says not
Saying
connected.
not connected. Yeah. Maybe I need to. Do I need to clear my cache? Maybe.
Uh, let's try that. Maybe we want to disconnect it from GitHub.
Um, so you think that's your what you say? What it do now?
Uh, yes, click on manage GitHub, and we already do that, right? We
Right.
already disconnect it and connect again.
Right. Let's see here. Your GitHub organization. So maybe I need to clear the cache. How do I clear the cache?
Okay, let's try that.
Go here. And would I go to settings?
Yes, settings. Yeah.
And boom, away.
Let's search in the search bar catch. No, you want to search catch.
Here.
Yeah.
Sorry, I click there. Do I clear everything? I'm confused.
Uh, yeah, we want to.
So just do cookies or history. Temporary.
Yes, it's fine.
So delete those.
Yes. And now let's try. Still the same. Okay, you have the pro plan of Figma, right?
Hmm?
You have the pro plan of Figma or the free plan?
I have the program.
Okay, so can you reach out with their support team? Why
Yeah,
it
it seems
happens?
like that's what we have to do. Yeah,
Because they can help better.
yeah, I think so. It's weird. I don't know why it's doing that.
Yes, because every time we want to push, it will become so much complex.
So what do I do? I go to okay. I guess I'll go here. All right. So anyway, um, okay. So I need to get this over to you. So where are we at? What do we need to do?
Uh, it's for GitHub, right? We want to reach out to Figma.
Oh, sorry. My brain's all over the place right now. So let me go to Figma.
Uh,
What would it be?
uh, in a new tab, let's search Figma support team and maybe it's appear directly.
Saying here?
No, in the new tab, new Chrome tab. Yeah, contact us.
That's not, that's sales.
Yes, it says. Yeah, this is look.
Hmm.
Maybe previously we are on that page.
Oh, they don't have a chat team. Here we go. All right, so I'm gonna figure this out. Um,
Mm, what it say now?
mhm. What is doing wrong?
I think it's give us a email, support email above.
This one. I'll figure it out. So anyway, kind of going back to what we were talking about, with the I'll take this off. Okay.
Okay.
Going back, so you say your sister.
Yeah, yeah.
Uh, I noticed on your sister's page she doesn't have any projects. She has a project called Perfume. I mean Valora, but there's nothing there when I go to the Valora site.
It's testimonials that he created.
Okay. All right. And it's still going to be you. It's just you having her work with you on this one.
Yes, and honestly, she also works on Vital Clone with me on that project.
Okay. Got it. Okay. Now, why is that? Is it because you have too many projects on yours?
Yeah, it's our second profile that we also want to grow.
Okay. Okay. That's fine. Okay, so let me figure out this repo situation. Um, and then once I figure this out, push it over. I'll push over the other files, and we can create the milestones and get started on that one too.
Yeah, yeah. So I will tell you what is going to be the format of that milestone. In the first two milestone, we are going to transform the UI completely.
Hmm.
Then in the third milestone, we will work on the admin panel as you tell us,
Hmm.
and all the remaining features that you tell in the meeting previously.
Okay.
Then in the fourth milestone, we will work on the database in Supabase, like as you say you want to add some new features, so it will also we want to store the data of that. And
Are we talking about we're talking about the new features in VitalClone? Or are we talking about we're talking about VitalClone, right?
yeah, for the Vital Clone it's also we want to do, but for the final pass
The,
down.
the, yeah, the features are already there for Final Pass Down. All
uh,
the features.
okay, so it's
Yeah,
connected with
so
the database perfectly.
it should be. That's why I want to check. I want to make sure that it's there. So I'm gonna have to figure out this whole
uh,
situation with the
Now it's on AWS, right?
the old one is yes, the old one is on AWS, but all the new stuff that I built in Figma, um, obviously it's completely different. Like it's completely. Um, I mean, you'll see. So it's
Yeah.
completely different.
So in the fourth one, we will work on that to connect it with the Supabase, right?
Hmm.
It's fine.
Hmm. Yeah, we built the tables already. Well, the tables is already kind of built. If you go into, let's see, hold on, let me go to Supabase and see what we have there. When I go to tables, right?
Yes, table editor. Let's see here. Is table is not created. It's for Vital clone. No, no, final pass down. The tables are not created right here. We want to
Oh,
create
okay.
that.
Wait, I thought they were I thought they were being pushed from let's see. I thought they were being pushed from Figma.
Mm, Dragon, if that get pushed, or otherwise, I will create that. Not a big deal in milestone 4.
Okay.
And in the final milestone we will test everything and final check and just publish.
One thing that I like about let me go to it. One thing that I like about here that I wish we had for Final Pass Down, I mean for Vital Clone, was the what was this? Oh, can't find it. When I'm not looking for it, I find it. Um, what was it? Oh, this is what I was like. So, for example, like I like this layout, how the pricing is for the packages. Um, I mean, not for the packages, but like how you see how it is, like where you can, how we kind of made it for VitalCone, but this layout, it looks way better. I think for like when you're doing, when you're changing the prices, the section that we have where we change the prices,
in the admin panel, right?
and over here, let me show you. You can see settings. Um, won't even let me go over there to the settings button. I was trying to show you like where is it? Why I can't scoot over like that? Well, you know what? Let me try this way. See if they allow me to do it this way. See how we have these like this, like where you pick how we create the plans, and they're supposed to, obviously the plans are supposed to reflect on the front end, right?
Yes.
Um,
One more important thing I want to tell you, if we
yeah,
just change the pricing from this admin panel, it just reflect on our front page, but don't get change from our uh, just give me a sec.
hmm?
1 minute.
Oh.
Yeah, it's don't get change from the stripe. We also want to change it from the stripe page.
Okay, okay, all right. I just said I like the view that we have on the other one. Kind of just, I mean, like for example, this one here, how it's just like square. What if the section, each section could look like this one, like where it's long form, looks more cleaner instead of the little small square. I don't
Okay,
know.
okay.
You can play with it and see what you can do.
Yeah, I will
And
do it.
what was pricing at anyway? Let me find it. What was it? What was it? I can't even find it now. It's in here. I just don't know where to look. Oh, here we go. Subscriptions. Jeez, there we go. The whole time it's right there. See, I kind of got the subscriptions laid out that way. It looks better. I think that flow looks a lot better than than you know what I mean. It's like bigger. It's not so square like we have over here. So it's
Yeah,
all square.
yeah, I
Like if we can,
understand it.
yeah, we can do the pricings, for the different ones, and also I noticed that all the pricing is not here. It's only three. Wait, no, wait. What is this? Oh, is that the subscription tier? Yeah, all the subscription stuff is not there. They only have three packages, and you know how many packages there are. So anyway, all right. So anyway, I'll figure out how to push it, and then obviously I know there's a few more features that we added to Vital Clone. So you just got to tell me, you know, how much extra you're going to charge me for those other features.
Yeah, I want to talk and find out it, and I will tell you in our next meeting. It will be next milestone after it.
Hmm. Okay, that's fine. Okay, cool. Let me figure out how to get this stuff pushed over, and we'll talk soon.
Yeah. One more important thing. I don't get the SendGrid access till now.
Get the what?
SendGrid access. It's we are going to use for. It's a
Oh,
part of Twilio.
I know. I don't understand. Let me show you too, and while we're on here, because I don't understand. I keep getting a message, and maybe you can help with this message that I keep getting.
Okay.
Oops, wrong one. I keep getting this error. You're not authorized to access this account. Please contact the administrator or support for help. I'm the administrator, so I don't understand.
Yeah, you want to log in it here. The same
So,
happens with me. That's why I can't log in. That's why I'm asking access from you.
okay, so let's look here. Where do we need to go to try to give access? Because I tried and I thought I did it, but I guess not. So where do we go?
You are the admin, but still you can't do it. Then
If,
it's a it's a bug or what something.
yeah, 'cause I'm the admin. So wouldn't that be under settings, organization settings, right?
Yeah.
Your accounts or users,
Let's try on users.
right?
Yeah.
So do I need to create my own role?
No, it's a different page.
Hmm?
It's a different page. It's not connected with that.
So it's a different page
It's something else.
because it's saying here create roles, right? So roles. Do I have to create myself a role or don't?
Uh, I can't understand, but you are the admin, so you want to have all access. Why it says
It doesn't make sense. Yeah,
uh, maybe let's try to contact with them.
I did. I'm still waiting for them.
Oh, that sucks.
Sent the ticket.
I will check what we can do. I want to figure out it, and then I will tell you the solution.
Because I made you administrator, correct? So you should be able to do that too, right?
Yeah, but I can't do it, and you too.
Invited. Why are you not even showing? It's weird.
Yeah, I'm also thinking about it. Why I'm not showing here, but I have the access.
Yeah, it's weird.
Maybe it's some
So,
Twilio problem. Maybe they are building or upgrading their platform.
yeah, but that's, I don't know.
Okay, I will figure out what we can do. But for now, you want to accept the current milestone because the delivery date is already gone, and for a milestone we can't extend it twice. So in the second milestone, you want to give me access of SendGrid, and we will complete that.
Okay, so you already have it, right?
Yeah.
So the milestone, that one's already done?
Yes, I get it.
Okay. All right, so let's move from there. I'll wait for, I sent the mail. Yeah, I sent this on the 27th, so yesterday. So I guess we'll get a message back today.
Okay.
All right. Okay. All right. Well, I'll let you go and we'll figure it out.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Thanks
All right.
for
You have a
this.
good one. You're welcome.
Just hit a message on my sister account of Fiverr, and I will create milestone from there.
Okay. I will.
Okay. Thanks for this.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yeah. Bye.
Çok pardon, don aşkım çok pardon, don